Good day. It is Saturday, July 7th, 2018, and thank you for coming by YouTube today to view this video. We don't always make these videos on a Saturday, but when we do, we prefer Dos Equis. Just kidding about that part. Yesterday, you may recall that we talked about the breakout of the equilateral triangle to the upside that produced now a whole big move starting in that direction, and appropriately we got a short-term Sentinels buy signal where all 7 went to buy simultaneously, produced a change in the line of least resistance to uptrend. Highly significant, very, very important, and so the correct trade now is long the market. As we studied this weekend, we find that it wasn't just the short-term Sentinels that showed the significance of that breakout of the equilateral triangle. Here it is on the daily intermediate term breakout to the upside. And as we study the 7 Sentinels for the intermediate term, we find that they too are all going to buy. Element 1 at a buy, element 2 at a buy, element 3 and 4 almost at buy, element 5 at a buy, element 6 at a buy, and element 7 almost at a buy. Those will be there in a couple of days. That's highly significant. We'll be talking about that tomorrow in our weekly analysis. The weekly Sentinels, which we use to determine the primary trend of the market, these two are showing very, very interesting stirrings as the 1334 on the McClellan broke through to the upside, and the McClellan on the NASDAQ almost broke through. Several other of the weekly now are on buy, and they are approaching a buy signal as well for the primary trend. So this is highly significant. We're going to be talking about that in some depth tomorrow in the 7 Sentinels weekly analysis. We hope you'll come by 7sentinels.com, where you'll find, if you go to 7sentinels.com, at the bottom of the page, a number of links to free articles open to the public that you can click on and read. We think they're very informative and helpful. And there's a link here that says limited time trial. Click on that, and for $9.95 you can have 14 days of everything that's on 7sentinels.com, including, of course, tomorrow's weekly analysis that is talking about a very, very highly significant development in the market. So we hope you'll do that. We thank you for coming by today and viewing this video, and good trading, my friends.